it's Madi Monroe and I am getting my extensions done today by Chrissy. This is my very first time doing extensions and I'm super excited. This is my natural hair and it does look pretty bad right now, but I'm super excited to get my hair done and yeah.
Today we are going to do Madi Monroe's hair, and she's never had permanent extensions before. She usually wears clip-ins, like she wants it to be a lot fuller. It doesn't grow very much, so she wants some more length and thickness, and she wants to be a lot brighter blonde. Usually when people come in like that, they say they get it weaved all the time, and then 2 days later it turns back brown. So a lot of times that happens, and like people don't really weave enough. They only do a few like little pop highlights to try to hurry, or they don't really take as much time as we do. I have so many good people on my team, and so we can all really get together and kind of do it together, and it doesn't take a lot of time. It's almost like 3 appointments in one. People always wonder why it's so expensive, but if you were to get what we can achieve in one appointment, it would literally take 3 to 5 appointments for a normal person. Not only that, but it would take all day. But ours we do fast, and because we have a team that works together and we all can achieve the looks in one appointment. So we're gonna show you how to brighten her up blonde. We're gonna put extensions in her, and we'll show you how we tone it and kind of how the system works. So let's get started.
So this is my inspiration picture. I'm gonna do 2 rows of extensions and I'm just going for a super light and bright look because my roots are very bad right now.
What we're gonna do is we're gonna put some bright extensions in first. Then we're going to root her extension. We're gonna root it with a level 8 because I don't want it to be super dark, and try to make it really blended. Take the gloves and really massage it down so it's not that harsh line. Then we're gonna start baby lighting with 20 volume Oxycure. Again, taking time to do small pieces because that is what is gonna make it bright, and that is what is gonna make it grow out good because there's tiny, tiny pieces. Then we're gonna go back through, tease out, and then with 30 volume Oxycure, let it process. Then we're gonna go back through and we're going to start toning it. I want her root to be softened. I don't want it to be neon white at the root, so we're gonna do 8 and 9P, and then let it sit for a little, kind of brush it down, and then we're gonna do 10 BS on all the rest. After that, we're gonna rinse it, then we're going to style her up, blow dry her, and then she's gonna get a little makeup so she can be extra cute, and then we're going to do after pics and videos. All right, guys, that is a wrap. She's looking extra sassy and beautiful. Don't forget to watch her TikToks with her new blonde hair. It's just gonna go crazy. Everyone's gonna freak out. And how do you feel?
I love it.
Amazing?
Yes.
No more clip-ins for you?
No more.
Now you can
ever.
do the TikToks with amazing hair and all the time. Your fans are gonna freak out.
Maybe. Hopefully.
Like, what are they gonna say? What are they gonna do?
They say that I'm pretty.
Yes.
I need that little confidence booster.
I think they will. But anyways, thanks so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and like down below. See you next time.